Dropshipping can change your life in 2026. I'm back in Bali. It's been 8 months since my last visit and a lot has changed. The store that I launched just 10 months ago has now done over $1 million in revenue. And I've actually got the screenshot right here for you. So this is the store that I launched. Last time I was in Bali, I don't know how much revenue it had actually done, but I only launched this store back in May of 2025. In the first month, it went from $0 to $10,000 in sales. That same business then went on to do over $300,000 in sales in December of 2025. And then January and Feb, it's done around about $200,000 in sales per month. Now, I don't show you this to flex, more so to show you what's possible with dropshipping still in 2026. Despite what everyone says about it being saturated, about ecom being dead, I've been doing dropshipping since 2020 and people were saying the same thing way back then. Actually, it's still one of the most lucrative business models, and I'm going to tell you exactly why. Most of this revenue, over $1 million over the last 10 months, have been generated somewhat on autopilot. I have 2 assistants in the Philippines that are amazing, and they handle everything from customer support to inventory and even operations. Then I have 1 private agent who's based in China. He's my eyes and ears on the ground. He allows me to have connections to all of the greatest suppliers in China so that I can source the highest quality products, have access to the fastest shipping lines, and the lowest cost of goods. I then have a team Discord channel where all 3 of them can openly communicate and ensure that everything is run correctly. Then I just oversee everything and make sure that there's no issues. Of course, I step in as and where I need to, but the majority of it is pretty much on autopilot or covered by the team. And that is why dropshipping is still one of the best business models in 2026. If done correctly, it can be a hands-off business model and actually provide you with the life that you want. Time freedom, location freedom, and financial freedom. Truth be told, I didn't actually want to travel to Bali. It was through need and not through want. I'm not sure if you're aware of the situation that's going on in Dubai, but my partner didn't feel safe living there anymore. She wanted to travel somewhere else just for the next few weeks and feel safe. So we managed to take a flight out the same day and travel here to Bali. It was last minute and there were limited options. There were almost no direct flights left. So what we actually had to do was book a flight from Oman to Jakarta and then from Jakarta to Bali in Indonesia. And all of the economy tickets were already sold. There were 2 seats left in business to fly from Oman to Jakarta, and we bought them. And we managed to get to Bali within 24 hours of making that decision. That is freedom, doing what you want, when you want, and not having to think twice about it. And most importantly, being able to provide for those closest to you. I think that's something that all men want, but it hasn't always been this way for me. I worked construction for 8 years, from the age of 16 to 24. Straight out of school, I got a plumbing apprenticeship. I was overworked, underpaid, and I think at the time I was earning maybe $250 a month. Obviously, that was when I first started. Over time, my salary did go up, but not by that much, to be honest. By the age of 24, I was earning around about $25,000 per month, which isn't much for someone that's dedicated 8 years of their life to engineering. Every single day, it would take me 1 hour to commute to work. I would then arrive at work at 8:30, work from 8:30 through to 5:30 p.m, and then I'd have another 1 hour drive home. I barely had enough energy to get to the gym 3 days a week. I would wake up at 6 a.m. most mornings, rubbing my eyes, still tired from the day before. And to me, that's no life. I wanted more and I needed more. Fast forward 5 years, I've retired my mum with help from my 2 brothers who are also in ecom, and I even gifted her a Mercedes C-Class. To me, that's the type of freedom that I think all men want, to be able to look after those closest to us. At least that was the goal for me. I'm not particularly materialistic, sure. I have a Rolex and I fly business class as and when I want to, but aside from that, I live a pretty simple life. I get all of my fulfillment from the work that I do in e-commerce, which also allows me to live the life that I want and provide for those closest to me. That's what makes me feel fulfilled. I don't need all of these materialistic things. Sure, I bought a Rolex, but that was because it was on my vision board for like 2 years, so I had to make it happen, you know? Which I think is also important, rewarding yourself for the hard work that you've done. Something that I never felt like I got when I was working in construction. I would wake up, live the same day every single day on repeat, overworked, underpaid, and underappreciated. I say this because I want you to realize that this business model can change your life in 2026 if you're willing to put the work in. All we're doing is selling products online. It does not need to be complicated. In fact, it's actually pretty simple. I just sell products to people who are already looking for them on Google. When you sell products to people that are already looking for them, it's an easy sell. And I teach my students to do the same. We use what I call the 4-step product validation method. which applies the basic principles of supply and demand. We validate products before we even spend a single dollar on ads. What do I mean by that? Well, we look for products and identify products that have high search demand, low competition, products that are evergreen, meaning we can sell them year round, and products that have a high profit potential. Then we build a niche store. Why? Well, perhaps you've heard the saying, the riches are in the niches, and there is some truth to that. By building a niche store, you're able to position yourself as an authority within that niche, which means you're the go-to person for that particular category or subcategory of products. This is important because it will allow you to sell high-ticket products. What do I mean by high ticket? Well, I mean products that are at least $100 plus in value. Why do we want to sell high ticket products? Well, because that means more profit for you per sale. That $1 million of revenue that I generated in just 10 months was done so with a 44% net profit margin. I'll let you do the maths on that. Not bad for 10 months work, right? Well, if I can even call it work. Like I mentioned to you earlier, I have 2 amazing team members that are based in the Philippines who pretty much handle everything for me. It's not like when I was working construction, physically exchanging my time and energy for a fixed amount per hour. Being told what my time and energy was worth per hour was something that just never sat right to me. No matter how many extra hours I put in, I could never seem to get ahead. That all changed when I got into e-commerce and started dropshipping. Now I've been able to build a business that is truly detached from my time. I'm no longer being paid for my time, but more so for the value that I'm able to provide and the team that I've been able to build to fulfill on the day-to-day operations of running that business. Now, back to what I was saying about the e-commerce store. Once we've positioned ourselves as an authority in a particular category or subcategory of products, we then just list our products and sell them on Google. Remember, we know people are actively looking for them because we've validated these products using the 4-step product validation method. There is a logical step-by-step system that we follow, and it's very simple when you know how. Like I mentioned, all we're doing is selling products online, and it does not need to be complicated. In fact, it can be incredibly simple. There's actually a military saying called KISS, and what that stands for is keep it simple, stupid. Now, you can apply this to anything in life because as humans, we have a tendency to overcomplicate and overthink things. But actually, when you simplify things, it provides you with clarity, and clarity allows you to scale. Scale is important, especially in business, because if you can scale your revenue, then that's what's going to allow you to make more money. And scaling a dropshipping business is what's going to give you the life and the freedom that you actually want. But the first step is actually getting started. And in most cases, or for most people, that's actually the most difficult part. Because what happens is people get lost in this bubble of information online. This guy says to dropship another way. We've got someone down here saying something else. And then what happens is that leads to something that I call analysis paralysis, where there's so much conflicting information, people giving different advice, that as someone that wants to start and get into dropshipping, you don't even know where to begin. Which means most of you that do try follow the wrong advice, end up failing, and then decide dropshipping doesn't work, dropshipping's saturated. But how can dropshipping be saturated? It's the process of selling products online. You buy products online, I buy products online. There's 65 million people in the UK, there's 325 million people in the USA. Is that something that really sounds saturated? E-commerce is growing more and more year on year as people are becoming more and more comfortable buying products online. That doesn't sound like a saturated market to me, and you only need to take one look at my store or the stores of my students to see that there is so much opportunity out there if you just follow this step-by-step system that we've developed and that actually works. That's exactly why my mentorship program exists, the Google Ads Ecom Academy, to give you step-by-step access and a proven roadmap that you can follow to actually build the life that you want. Whether it be time, location, or financial freedom, or if you're like me, all of the above, it is possible with this business model in 2026. So if you want to work with me and start building the life that you want, then see the link in the video description to learn more. I've got hundreds of student results and testimonials. You only need to take a look at my Trustpilot page or some of the YouTube case studies and testimonials that I have on my YouTube channel to see that what I'm teaching here at the Google Ads Ecom Academy is real and it works. On average, students go from complete beginner to generating their first sale online in as little as 4 to 6 weeks. That's product and market research, product sourcing, building their website, setting up their Google Ads campaigns, and generating their first sale in as little as 4 to 6 weeks. Tell me another business model that is low risk, high reward, and can actually start generating your business revenue in as little as 4 to 6 weeks. Because dropshipping can. If you're ready to make a change, see the link in the video description to learn more, and let's make 2026 your best year yet. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one.